Hi, I'm Judy Petz, the director of the BVI Spring Regatta and Sailing Festival, and this is our 49th year. Has to almost be one of our best. We have had the most amazing week of racing. Obviously the winds are still blowing, fortunately just a little less today, so those who raced around Tortola and have been in some 20, 25 knot, 30 knot breezes have a little bit of a respite today. We are just so thrilled to be back on the water racing, 70 boats out there. After 2 years of postponement for the 49th anniversary, we're just so excited. We've been able to bring back so many of the elements of the Spring Regatta. The village is fantastic, the music is playing, the rum is being poured, the beers are being drank, and the camaraderie is the most important part. We're just so pleased. The people behind the scenes have made this event what it is today. There are so many people who have put 20 plus years into making this event what it is, and they're here today over the last week, over the last 2 weeks actually, making this event happen, and we just couldn't be happier. So on this Sunday, the last day of the 49th BVI Spring Regatta and Sailing Festival, great winds, great racing, great rum, great beer. Thank you.
I'm Andy Friedman, and this is Papillon. They do 460 GL, and we've been having a lot of fun sailing this down here for the last few years, and we just love it. David and Tony are with me this year. We've been sailing together for probably 40 years. It works pretty well. It works pretty well. Just the three of us without the spinnaker. Yeah, it's a little bit of a challenge, but we're okay with it. It's a fun boat to sail, even though it's a cruising boat. The starts are always so competitive that's what makes it fun. It's the best sailing. The weather is beautiful, the seas, steady winds, it's challenging. You can't beat the scenery going around the islands, and then everybody here, everybody is so welcoming, and meeting all these wonderful folks from around the world. It's just really, it's special. It really is.